Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shayne, and I'm here to help you make your dreams come true. Seriously, that's the name of the video today. I'm going to make your dreams come true. I'm going to teach you how to do it for yourself. I have always had this idea of being able to pursue your thing and being able to achieve whatever, anything, like literally anything that you want to do in life, you can achieve it. And if you follow the formula, this is the formula that I have used in the past, and an amalgamation of everything that I have learned helped me propel to fulfill the things that I've been wanting to fulfill. And I can't not guarantee that it could happen to you too, but maybe it'll give you a better chance. Okay? So the first thing is you have to set an intention. So when you're setting an intention, what that means is that you're thinking about like a particular place that you want to be at in your life. And like around when in your life do you want it to happen? So for example, I want to finish my doctorate in between 2 to 3 years. So I set that intention. I'm gonna get it done between 2 to 3 years. That means that I have to put the work in that I am planning for. Okay? So another thing when it comes to helping set an intention is making a vision board. So vision boards are great because they make it so that they're good reminders. They're very pretty reminders of the things that you want to happen and to make come true. For me, I don't really have a vision board. I have a list of the things that I want to accomplish this year as a part of my resolutions. So those are the things that I'm going to strive for with every decision that I make. So the next step is to make a plan. So for me, every week of the year, I need to be writing for dissertation. I need to be contributing towards my dissertation, and I need to make sure that we need to make sure that I actually make it towards the deadlines. If I don't make it towards the deadlines, they're going to be late. If I'm late, I'm going to extend another year and have to wait to get to internship. So I can plan, like I'm gonna write this dissertation, like let's say Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, right? I set, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That way they're all bunched up in together. Let's say I every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I write for my dissertation every week. Well, the next step is follow through. I actually have to write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and not just plan it. That's the part that's hard, is actually following through. It's not fun, but it still has to get done. If you want your end game to be something that you can achieve, it's up to you to do those other things that will help you get towards your end game. So for me, in order for me to get my doctorate, I need to make sure at this junction of my life that I'm following through with my idea of writing dissertation Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Because if I miss a day, that's one less day that I've worked towards my dissertation. That makes it harder for me in the future to be able to make it to the deadlines. I think that there's a deadline coming up actually, which probably end of January. I'm not sure. If my dissertation is not ready by that time, I'm not going to be able to go to internship in the fall, which is even less good. That's not good at all. So another thing that along with follow through is making hard decisions. So making hard decisions means having to do things like let go of certain people in your life and letting go of certain activities in your life. So for example, if you If I really want to do this and then graduate on time, I need to go out less and stop spending money. And I think that those will go hand in hand, because I need to not distract myself from having to do the things that I have to do, because I don't want to do it. That doesn't make any sense. Make those hard decisions. So if that means that you can't hang out with your friends, it's one less day out of the week or something like that, do it. Figure it out. And if you need help, please feel free to message me. Write out in the comment section down below. And you can order one of my coaching sessions. I'll send you the link. Thank you so much for watching. Make your dreams come true. I've told you the secret, so now you can do it yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Be good.